Mine's are tall, sorry, to come sing the national anthem. They talk about the time, mine's are tall, who go national anthem, don't make a color guard now.
No, okay. Okay, please stand for the national anthem. Oh, say, can you sing by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
You may all take a seat. Next up, we would like to welcome Pastor Nia Vang to come give the opening prayer for our ceremonies. Lucia National Thoj Go Sifu Nia Va Go La Sholu Shatia La Haya Balo.